Just a quick video on how to sort of repair broken crown of Palmrest or the base, and I'll be doing a Palmrest here for Asus laptop, and that's what's broken off, and luckily I've got the piece here. There. You can just apply glue and it'll snap off straight away due to the force of the screw. So clean it with IPA just so that the bonding is good for the glue and the surface is grease free. And I'll just quickly use this to dry it off. Okay. Super glue. Go around the edges. Okay. And oops, sorry. So just lay it down. Okay, let's have a look. Yep, as you can see that's sort of sat now. Okay, flushed against the Palmrest. Now what you do is heat shrink. Just cut it to the size, the length of this really. And what you want to do is apply super glue around. You can put plenty on, no problem. Guys, and then put the heat shrink on. Right, guys, just to get it held down, and then apply heat. What I'm going to do is I need to get this about 140 degree from the about 130, 140, something like that, just to sort of get the heat shrink working again. And then apply the heat, and hopefully that should sort of do it now. Right, any excess tip here, I don't know if you can see on the camera, that excess bit, you can sort of trim them off. Go. Right, once it's sort of cured fully, this will be no problem. This will not snap off regardless. There we go. A quick fix. Done. Thank you.